Hey there, welcome to WANotifier. In this short tutorial video, we will guide you through the process of connecting your phone number with the WhatsApp API. This will allow you to utilize our tool to send WhatsApp marketing and transactional messages to your customers. The first step involves connecting your phone number to the WhatsApp API. However, before we begin, let's quickly understand the four must-have requirements for setting up a phone number with the WhatsApp API. Please note that these are WhatsApp's requirements and not our tool's requirements. First is you need to have a spare phone number to connect with the API. You can use a brand new number to set up here, or you can also use your number that's currently connected with WhatsApp Business mobile app. Second, you need to have a valid business registration document like incorporation certificate or a similar business registration document. If you are from India, a GST certificate is mandatory. The third requirement is a valid business website with a privacy policy page. Without a business website, you won't be able to use the API. It's important to mention that you can't simply input a random website to bypass this requirement. WhatsApp requires the website for business verification, and without it, you will not be able to verify your business to use the API. The fourth and final requirement is a payment method. The WhatsApp API is a paid service and you need to pay them a small fee for every message you send. This is why you need to set up a payment method such as a credit or debit card for API billing. If these requirements are clear and you're ready with these, let's get started by clicking on the Connect with Facebook button. Kindly note that as WhatsApp is a product owned by Facebook, also known as Meta, to do the official setup with WhatsApp API, we go through the Facebook portal. Once you click on the button, this page will appear. If you are logged into your Facebook account, you will see your account here. If you are not logged in, you will see a login page. Simply log into your personal Facebook account, and once you are logged in, you will see a page like this. Click on the Continue button. That will take you to this page. Click on Continue again now. Here, it will give you option to set up two different accounts. The business portfolio is your main parent Meta business account. If you already have a Meta business portfolio, you can select that from the drop down here. If you don't have one, you can click on this Create a Business Portfolio option to create a new one. Similarly, you have to select your WhatsApp business account here. You can create a new WhatsApp business account from here if you don't have one. You also have the option to connect your WhatsApp business app's number with the API. If you already have your phone number attached with WhatsApp business app on your phone, you can select this option. Or if you already have an account, you can select that from the drop down here. For now, we'll be selecting this create a new account option, but later in this video, I'll show you how you can set up your WhatsApp business app option as well. Once you have selected the options, click on the next button. On this page, you have to add your business information. The details you add here will be used to create the assets that you selected to create in the previous step. Add your business name here. Select the category, website, and also time zone and business description. You can keep this empty as this is optional, or you can fill this in if you want. Then click on Next. Now, the next step is to add a phone number to your WhatsApp business account that we created in the step earlier. You have three options. One, you can select the option to use a display name only. This option will automatically generate a phone number for you, which is provided to you for free by WhatsApp. Please note that the phone number you get here can be used only to set up with WhatsApp and cannot be used for sending normal SMS or doing phone calls. The second option that you have is to add a new phone number. Here you can set up your own phone number using a local SIM. Select a country code here and enter your phone number. Then you will have to verify your number by selecting one of these two methods, and that will send a verification code to your phone number. You just have to enter that verification code and you will be able to then proceed to the next step. The third option is add phone number later. This option is not recommended as it increases the complexity for you to set up the number. Just select from one of these two options given on the top. When you're done, then click on the next button. Here you can review the setup information and see all the details that will be used to create your accounts. But before proceeding to the next step, let's take a step back and quickly see how the process will look like if you select the Connect a WhatsApp Business app option on the previous step here. Kindly note that if you have already created a new WhatsApp business account, you can skip this part. Click on Next. After that, enter your phone number that you have on your WhatsApp business app and click on Next. Then scan this QR code from the WhatsApp business app to continue with the setup. It takes up to 45 seconds to complete this setup. Once it's done, click on the Next button. Once your number is added, you'll again land on the same screen that we saw earlier. Click on the Confirm button to continue. This will connect your account and may take a few minutes. That's it, you're all done. Click on the Finish button to return back to our tool. The system will then take around 10 to 15 seconds to fetch the phone number details and attempt to integrate your API number with our tool. Once this is complete, we can move to step 2, which involves adding a payment method. As previously mentioned, the WhatsApp API is a paid API. You need to pay payment method on the official Meta portal so that they can charge you for your WhatsApp API usage. To do this, click on the button here. This will take you to the Meta portal's billing page for this WhatsApp number. Here, in the payment method section, click on Add Payment Method button. Following this, select your country, currency, and time zone, and then click Next. Proceed further by clicking Next again. At this point, we will be inputting our card details. After entering your details, tick the check mark and click on Save. This will verify your card, and once your card is successfully added, a success screen will appear. Click on Done to proceed. The next step involves adding your business information. Click on the Edit button in the Business Info section. Then enter your legal business name and address. Please note, if you are located in India, the GST number field is mandatory to fill the form. Without a GST number, unfortunately, you won't be able to utilize the WhatsApp API as it's required by Meta to fill out this form and proceed further. If you're from outside India, a GST number is not necessary. You can simply input your business details and then click Save. Once completed, return to our website and click on Verify and Proceed. This action will verify the payment details you added on the Meta portal. After this verification, you'll automatically move to the third and last step. Click on Proceed, and then you'll be redirected to the dashboard page. That's it. That's how you can complete setup of your phone number with WANotifier and the WhatsApp API. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you inside.